Hi everyone, it's Sue with Ully Cat's Designs and Ully Cat's World blog. And I'm here today with a fun which came first, the bird or the egg kind of birthday card. So I'm going to be using a stamp set from the Rabbit Hole Designs, and this one is called Squawk Talk. I'm going to be using Simon Says Stamps Basic Shapes Nested Eggs, and using the egg dies. I just took the largest die and I folded a piece of paper in half and I let it hang out over the edge so I would have a fold, and inside I stamped sentiments: happy birthday, I'm sorry did I roll my eyes out loud, and then from some Lace Row Love, a vintage trip set of papers, I cut out the front and back eggs, and I'm going to glue those on. And what I did with the back piece to get that cut off is I just held it up, matched all the edges, and then trimmed off that little bit, because in order to get this card to open, that part of the back will have to be off. So that's why we cut off that one edge, so that the card can do that. So I used my Nuvo highly pigmented watercolor pencils in a variety of tones to color what I'd stamped out using Hero Arts Intense Black ink. And after I used my pencils, I just took my water brush and smoothed out colors. And then on my back, I've taken a 1mm wide foam tape, so they won't be raised up super high. They'll give a little interesting sort of shadow. And I did fussy cut out all of the shapes, because I don't have the dies that go with it. And here's the finished card. We have our 5 elements, the different birds, kind of the thing of, is it chicken or the egg which came first? Attitude is everything. And which birds do you think are rolling their eyes? Happy birthday. I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? So it's just a fun, kind of humorous birthday card. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some inspiration from it, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.